In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find alumni at a company on LinkedIn. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com in the search bar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in. You have a few options here. You can log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you might prefer entering your email address and password directly. In the event that you've enabled multi-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. It's a security measure that helps keep your account safe and secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed, which is your stepping stone to starting your search. Now, think about the company you're interested in and type that company's name into the search bar located at the top of the page. As you start typing, you'll notice that LinkedIn auto-suggests pages that match your search terms, saving you a bit of time and effort. Click on the correct company name from these suggestions. This will take you directly to the company's LinkedIn page. Once there, you'll see several tabs at the top. You'll want to click on the People tab. This section is where LinkedIn provides detailed information about the individuals associated with that company. To specifically find alumni from a certain educational institution, you can utilize the school filter in the People section. Simply enter the name of the school or university you're interested in, and LinkedIn will narrow down the results to show you those who attended that institution. If you're interested in finding alumni who might have experience with other companies, LinkedIn offers additional filters to help you. You can use the current company or past company filters to track down people who presently work or have previously worked at other organizations. This process can be incredibly useful if you're interested in understanding career trajectories or learning more about different industries. Once you apply all the necessary filters, LinkedIn will present a list of people who match your criteria. Now it's time to review their profiles. Take a close look at their professional backgrounds to see if there's a connection to what you're specifically searching for, whether it's about careers, industries, or shared experiences. Finally, if you come across profiles that align with your professional goals, consider sending a connection request. Make sure to personalize your message, introduce yourself, and perhaps mention your shared educational background or mutual interests to create a genuine connection. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to finding company alumni on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you network more effectively.